Hello folks, David with Ural Motorcycles. Hey, today I'm bringing you a short video to introduce a couple products. No lengthy install video today, that'll be coming later. The first item I want to show you is our new amber fog lights. You want to change your bike up, be a little bit different than the ones that come standard on standard equipment. We had these as a complete set, both lights and the bracket. So if you already have these on your gear up or CT, it's simply a matter of plug and play. Take the old bracket off, plug the new ones in and bolt it on. If you don't have a bike equipped with the driving lights as standard, I'll be doing an installation video coming up showing how to mount the bumper, put the lights on, and then wire them up to your vehicle in a couple of different ways. Now, the difference between our lights and what you may find at, say, like a Tractor Supply store or other place like that, a lot of those places are basically selling what would be found at home on a forklift or something like that. They're basically work lights that have been repurposed as off-road lights or what have you. Now, our light, it's the same design. We've had these for years, but you'll notice there's a band through the center, and then the LEDs are shooting up and down, and then the reflector itself all work together to create a wide, low, flat beam to help with driving at night, particularly on back roads, things like that, so you can see the sides of the road. The second item I have for you today is the Sidecar armrest. It's a rubber pad that adds comfort to your sidecar if you carry a passenger. Installation is quite easy. There's Velcro inside. You place them on the rail, position them where the instructions say, peel the release liner for the adhesive side of the Velcro, stick them on, and then you can remove them and put them back on as needed. In addition to being easy to install, these are going to provide a drastic comfort difference between the hard metal side rail on your passenger's elbows if you ride for an extended period of time. To see these and many other items, you can go to imz-ural.com, click the drop-down menu, hit the shop button, and it will take you to all the collections that we have available, including clothing, accessories, maintenance, and other things, and we're adding stuff weekly. So until next time, ride safe and take care.